Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide online status on WhatsApp. So it's a very simple and easy process. Okay, first you just need to enable the airplane mode on. Okay, then go to your WhatsApp and send a message like, hey. Then go back to home screen and turn off the airplane mode. So that's how you can send messages to someone without showing you online, and it won't affect your last scene also. Actually, there is no option to actually do that. This is the only way you can hide online status on WhatsApp while sending a message. So if this video helps you out, please make sure to like, share and subscribe.